So this is the pound yen analysis for Thursday, the 1st of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened in prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we did see, well, on the 28th, what we did see was prices came into consolidation beneath the 200 period moving average. For quite some time we had the rejections here, brief pullbacks. We've had to move up beyond, up towards that 150, pulled back, tested the 149.78 and rejected from there, just there, and we came into a period of consolidation beneath the 200 period moving average. Now, from these rejections of a 200 period moving average, we didn't move back up towards this 49.77. What we did see was a sell-off and bringing us beneath the previous swing low over here in around the 48.61, bringing us through the key level, a major level of the 48.46. We had strong sell side momentum, taking us beneath 47.35, all the way beneath 47, and ultimately brought us down towards this 46.50. Now, from this 46.50, we are seeing some retracement at present, but the retracement does appear weak, so we could potentially see prices heading up towards that 147 before seeing the further downside continuation. And we've had a pretty sizable move, so a retracement would not be unusual. But if we did see a retracement and a turnaround, we'll be looking for prices to head downwards. So what are levels that we are looking at to the downside? The levels that we are looking at to the downside are 146, a major level marked out here in red, and beyond 146 we're looking at 44.78. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond, say, the 44.78, so we'd expect 48.78 to be the far end of the range. And to the upside, if we were to see bullish buy-side momentum and we were to break above the 147, we'll look to see our price reacting around 147.35, after which I suppose wouldn't anticipate first going up towards this 40, where is that? 48.46, so what we could do is, no. So if we do see that retracement towards the 147 level or the 147.35, we're looking to see if we do see sell side momentum come into the market. If we were to break above that level, we would expect the far end of the range to be in around that 148 level. Wouldn't anticipate prices to retest the 148.46. Now, if we head over to the daily chart, and over at this daily chart, we get the scale on here correct. We can see here we've had this sizable candle here sell off and punctuating the end of this trend, pretty much an engulfing candle. What we did see was a continued selling momentum. We've had this period of consolidation just here, and we've in fact seen a break to the downside. So we did not in fact form a bottom down here for a move upwards. What we did see was a period of consolidation before we saw further downside momentum, taking us through the daily 200 period moving average. And due to the it is a pretty sizable sell-off. I think it's north of 200 or so pips on the pound yen. So what we could see here, especially with a candle of this size, is we could see some retracement. So we could see the counter trend move, possibly for a retest of a 200 period moving average, or if we were to head beyond the 200 period moving average, a test of that 148 level. But that would be a pretty deep, pretty sizable retracement. So we might retrace and test the 200 period moving average, depending if as it heads upwards, this 200 period moving average, for further sell side momentum coming into the market, or in around the 148 level. Now, if we were to break down, again, this most recent trend is to the downside, even though we were slightly heading upwards previously. And we have come into an area that we did have consolidation over here. And we've traded beneath that area. In fact, closed beneath that area where we had this previous consolidation, which we used for a springboard for an upside move. So again, we'll be looking at these key levels previously identified in the market to see if we do see prices turn around and start to head back up. And yeah, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Now, if we have a brief look at this daily chart, well, weekly chart here, we've had a deep retracement, but we've had prices progress upwards. Now, over the past couple of weeks or so, we've had this move upwards, and we've had a sizable bearish candle again to another bearish candle and then decision doji, but again we've seen another bearish candle play out here on the pound yen. So the pound yen, this uptrend does seem vulnerable, especially in light of the most recent moves in the market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.